Hello, my name is Anthony Sola, and today I will talk about management styles and roles in businesses, the challenges of managing across generations of different ages, and generational differences among them. First, I'll talk about how top management and leadership is required in a business to be successful. Very good leaders will lead a business to be very successful. Many different businesses are successful for many different reasons. Many reasons can be shown in one of my interviews that I've done with my relative, who is also my uncle, Patilam Sam. He is a captain in a shipyard. He has always led by example, and he has always worked for everything that he has gained. My uncle has always told me that he has led by example and was always working to improve daily. He worked and served the time to be the leader that he is today. He serves 40 plus employees. He works in ships and makes sure everything is going fine and dandy in the boats, and always make sure that all his employees are working hard and are working towards a single goal. And many different generations address each leader differently. Just like as in my second interview that I had taken with my aunt's father, Anthony Chavez. He's very old because he has worked in a railroad company for 60 plus years. He has earned his leader role in his railroad company and has supervised many employees and has found many different ways to motivate and encourage his employees to be successful. And I had also read in many different articles in my paper that discusses how managers should lead different and unique generational age groups. It talks about how every age group is accustomed to their own unique skill set and how they should all be addressed. In many of the articles that I read, it really addresses the issue of conflicts in the workplace head on. I'd also taken charts and analysis upon business and how age groups and generational conflicts occur, and I've taken different stats among each different generational age group within real live workers to see real and confidential information. Today, I've just talked about in my paper what a leader should look like in businesses.